I will copy the data that come from the internet. From the website Wikipedia, I take my block like this. Then I right-click. Then copy. Then I move to Excel. Then I paste by pressing Ctrl+V. Well, like this. It's still a mess, yeah. We're going to fix it quickly by using a shortcut. How to press alternately Alt E a plus F. Then she would turn out like this. But the width, not neat, yeah? To spruce it up, press Alt H plus O I alternately. Well, the result is like this. Pretty easy and easy, right guys? Hopefully tutorial. This is useful.